Hey guys, today I'm in front of 708 Crossway and we just got the good news that the sewer lateral got passed. But I want to share with you a little bit that I learned from Burlingame City of sewer lateral, why we need to have sewer lateral repair or even testing, and what's the right way to get it done. So here is the first clean out that's next to the house, and then there's another one that's outside here close to the street. So both clean out, what their function is, in case your pipe is clogged, the water would then come up boop, 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 to your toilet, but firstly go to one of these two openings. That way you can prevent your house got flooded by all the nasty sewer waters. So why do we need to get these tested? Because in the old time, what I heard after Second World War, lots of pipe were constructed out of paper cord and was tarred around, even though I heard that's uncommon here, or actually not every house was like that, but out of material outage, that is some way of constructing the sewer. And lots of time with all the trees in the backyard or movement in California state, these sewer piping might actually broke or leak. So that's why they are actually doing a air test. So basically in this sewer piping, sewer line, it's kind of like a Y situation. So one side goes to the city, one side goes to the house, and this side is that clean out. So you're gonna have a balloon coming to this corner, this area, and then inflate it, and then fill water from that hole, and then wait for 30 minutes, and they're okay with 4 gallons of missing water. If there's less than 4 gallons leaking out, then this house passed the sewer lateral test, which this house did. Excellent. But if it doesn't, what we're going to do is we're going to have a sewer lateral repair or replacement. Lots of time nowadays, they put a new liner inside to insert all the way to this location, so that they don't have to, so the plumber don't have to dig all the ground to be opened up. Of course, there are situations that the pipe could be a belly in a way that from there to this location, it dip down and go up again, and that's not ideal because all the water and cluster will be accumulated in those areas. So in those situations, they do need to trench out, so basically dig up all the landscape and get a flatter pipe to go through from one point to another. So yeah, so what kind of material do we use? I just asked. It's called DR 26. It's thicker than the ABS white plastic that we normally use inside of the house. So it's some different thicker plastic versus in a older home, normally they are using tiles or other materials. So I hope this helps everybody understand more sewer lateral, and I got to learn so much from Burlingame City. Thank you guys, and hope to share more architectural and construction background behind the scene with you guys in